chemical attack. Says you'll...
Just move quick and we can snag where I'll be before he bolts.
This is return to
SandStorm's moving in fast. We'll have one shot at this.
Where's my subtitles?
Bravo team, take point through the gate.
Forces closing in.
Either that fence is gonna bullets or I just can't get a thing.
Right, the remote gun is online.
Oh shoot. Am I not shooting you?
Lay down covering fire so we can move up the road!
There's a secret.
Bloody hell! Those MGs are tearing us apart! Contact at 1 o'clock! I have a man down!
What?
Forces closing in. Right, the remote gun is online.
Lay down covering fire so we can move up the road! Bloody hell! Those Lay down covering fire so we can move up the road!
Hello, I just want to start off by saying that yeah, I know I've been uploading for 2 months, but yeah, I will get back to that. But also, I'm doing something different in this video. I am adjusting the graphics on here to make it look better. But yeah, I did my best. I don't know if I should change the graphics or like adjust the brightness and everything else, because I won't say I not noticed, but I just want to wonder if it looks better as how they look like in this video now. I'm only doing this because the graphics on my monitor and when I'm recording looks way different. So I did my best to make it look somewhat the same. So yeah, I'll probably keep doing it or not. I don't know. I'll see how it goes. So yeah, back to the video.
Reloading!
Don't know what's going on.
Ready for another gun run.
Bloody hell! Those MGs are tearing us apart! Yuri, use the remote guns to take out those nests!
Audio was messed up, so
Target's destroyed. Well done, Yuri.
why would it be standing there?
Forces closing in.
I can see her! So, walk out this! Lay down covering fire so we can move up the road!
Price, the remote gun is online.
Target level 4! Okay!
Oh, so
For another pass.
Yuri, so let's find this bastard.
Echo team, we're entering the target building.
Nikolai, prep for exfil. Echo team is standing by.
Watch those corners. Contact front.
Possible visual on Barnaby. Second floor balcony.
Copy that. Possible on Warabi, second floor.
Bravo 1, get in position.
Flanking now. Multiple hostiles entering second floor room.
That's the door to his office. Alright, weapons tight. We need him alive.
breaching. It says a little.
Gas masks on.
Look familiar.
No, please!
Where's Makarov? Tell me and it's yours.
Our contact was a man named Volk. We never met Makarov.
Where's the smoke?
Paris! He oversaw the delivery in Paris!
Right then. This is for the boys at Hereford.
We're LB broke. We have what we need. Ready for exfil.
Jesus
Almost
Christ.
there. The LZ looks clear, but that SandStorm is moving in fast.
We see it. Meet you in 20 seconds.
That storm is massive.
So you think one Harvey was telling the truth about Volk? He was telling the truth. I bet Makarov's life on it. We shall make it back as soon as we get back. Then we can talk to him. Nikolai, get out of there!
Jesus Christ, that's an ambush.
Contact right! Contact right! Get out of the open! On the rooftops! Nikolai, change your plan. Head to the secondary LZ.
That SandStorm is coming in fast. I won't be able to touch down once it hits.
Just be there.
They're blind to escape!
We've got to push through to the secondary LZ before the storm hits. Let's move!
Suppressing fire!
Price, the winds are getting stronger.
Hold on, Nikolai. We're on the way. Contact front! Look out!
Multiple enemies are closing in.
More of them on the roof! Keep pushing through!
Target 12 o'clock!
Oh, it's to my left.
Multiple enemies are closing in.
More of them on the roof! Keep pushing through! The LZ is close, keep moving!
Nikolai, the LZ's in sight!
Go fast. I don't know how much longer I can play this storm.
We need to push to the top floor! Let's move! I can see them! I see them to the north! Stand down! First floor clear, move! Watch it!
Starting my approach to the LZ.
We're reaching the top, Nikolai!
Second floor clear, keep moving!
Hold on,
Nikolai,
Nikolai.
we're at the LZ! Where are you?
Almost there. This side is too hot. I can't land.
Yuri, get on the remote turret and thin them out!
The aim is getting better. They're almost hit me.
No! Nikolai, no! Oh, shoot!
Nikolai, do you copy? What the bloody hell are we gonna do now? Echo team, Nikolai's bird is down and the SandStorm is on top of us. We need emergency exfil.
Roger. We'll contact you when we get a fix on Nikolai.
Come on, lads! We've got to reach Nikolai before more of his men do! Vehicle coming through! Stay low and keep moving! I can see 2 feet in front of me.
Where are you going, Price?
Hostile dead ahead. Take him out!
We're clear. We gotta move! Echo team, what's the status? this chopper. Quick south of your position. Get down! He must have found Nikolai. Bryce, we reached Nikolai, but we're under heavy fire!
Hang on, we're almost there!
Looks like they're headed for Nikolai. We're clear.
Nikolai.
There's Nikolai's chopper. Echo team's pinned down, let's move! Echo team, we're approaching your position from the south. Copy that.
Good to see you, mate!
Oh, shoot, just boxed me in the head.
50 meters to the northwest!
Alright, Yuri! Bloody hell, Yuri! Get Nikolai! They'll come to you! Grab Nikolai! We're running out of time!
Echo 2, we've got Nikolai. We're heading to the exfil point. Move out! Echo 2, we're approaching exfil point.
Come on, Yuri!
Let's go! They just pressed the edge!
Yuri, this way!
We have to keep moving.
Nikolai.
Let's go! Come on!
We gotta